Okay, watch this. This image made by free AI, this blog post, free AI, this market research, also free AI, three different tools, three side hustles, $0. Before you pay for another AI subscription, give me 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly which free tool does each job. Live on screen. Here's the thing, AI tools used to be expensive or the free versions were terrible, but in 2026, that changed. Big companies are throwing crazy powerful AI at us for free. It's like a gold rush, but you don't need any money to start. I'm going to show you how I use three of them. First up, the easiest one of the three. If you're paying for stock photos or graphic designers for your side hustle, you can stop. Right now, this is Microsoft Copilot. Quick note, since a lot of you asked about this last time, Bing Image Creator and Copilot are not the same thing. They both use the same image model underneath, but they're two different doors into it. Bing Image Creator is a simple, dedicated page, prompt in, images out, and it's fastest if you already know what to type. Copilot is a full chat, so you can refine your images by talking to it and do writing, research, and coding in the same place. Same engine, different experience. I'm giving it a very specific prompt, something you might need for a print on demand t shirt design or a social media ad. Watch what happens. It generates four images for free, and honestly, the results are surprisingly good. Look at this detail. You can download these high res images directly for free. Here's the catch though, you get about 15 boosts, and each boost makes one set of four images. They refill on a weekly basis. Once they run out, it still works and it's still free, just slower. Now, here's something important. If you ask an AI chatbot whether you can sell these images, it'll often say yes, absolutely, but Microsoft's actual terms of use say something different. And the lesson here, don't trust an AI's answer about its own legal terms. Go read the actual terms yourself. Most people don't know you can also ask Copilot to refine an image. This is great for small tweaks without starting over. See, it's not perfect, but it's a huge time saver. Copilot is fantastic for quick visuals for social media, simple logos, or even print on demand. It's fast and easy. But what if you need more than just images? What if you need words? That's where our next tool comes in. Writing blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions can take hours, but Google Gemini can help you create content faster than ever before. This is Google's answer to AI chat, and the free version is powerful. For this side hustle, let's say we need a short, engaging blog introduction about the benefits of starting an AI side hustle. Gemini writes quickly and it's pretty good at understanding tone. Look at this, a full introduction, exactly the word count I asked for, with a clear call to action. This saves so much time compared to staring at a blank page. You can use this for quick social media posts, email newsletters, even basic scripts like this one. The cool thing about Gemini is its ability to understand context better than simpler tools. You can follow up with questions like, can you rewrite that in a more professional tone, or expand on the first paragraph, and just like that it adapts. This is free and you can generally use the output for commercial purposes, again with the usual content policy rules. There isn't a strict daily limit on queries, but they do have fair usage policies. So Gemini is awesome for generating text and brainstorming ideas, but what if you need to research those ideas first? What if you need to find actual verifiable information for your content? That's where our third tool shines. And honestly, this one replaced my paid research tools. Most AI tools just make things up sometimes. It's called hallucinating. That's a problem if you need facts for your side hustle, like for a niche newsletter or market research for a new product. That's where Perplexity AI comes in. Think of it like a search engine combined with an AI chatbot, but it cites its sources. Let's say I want to start a side hustle selling custom keyboards. I need to know what's trending right now. Watch this. It doesn't just guess, it goes and finds real information online. It gives me the answer, and then, crucially, it lists the sources right there. I can click on them and verify the information myself. This is huge for building trust in your content. Perplexity's free tier gives you about 5 pro searches a day. On top of that, you get unlimited basic searches on the default model, which is honestly still great for most research. Those pro searches tap into advanced models like GPT and Claude. You can also just ask Perplexity directly for video results, no special mode needed, and look, real videos with links right in the answer. That's a massive shortcut for content creators, for any side hustle needing factual information, whether it's content, market analysis, or just staying updated. Perplexity AI is a must have free tool. So, three free AI tools, three real side hustles. Copilot is your go to for quick, creative images. It's super fast and about 15 boosts a week, covers a handful of small projects. After that, it still works, just slower. Gemini is your writing assistant for blog posts, social media, or even brainstorming. It helps you get words on the page much faster. And Perplexity AI, that's your research powerhouse. Don't ever trust an AI without sources for factual content. This tool gives you that confidence. One more thing on Perplexity, there's a free mode called Learn Step by Step buried in there. Instead of researching a trend, it explains a concept properly, breaks it down section by section, and even checks your understanding at the end. If you're using AI to actually learn your niche, not just write about it, that's worth knowing about. Here's a pro tip: combine these tools. Use Perplexity to research a trend, Gemini to write a blog post about it, and Copilot to generate a stunning image for your social media promotion, all for free. Honestly, I was shocked how much you can do for free in 2026. This isn't just about saving money, it's about being more efficient and actually starting that side hustle you've been thinking about. Drop a comment. Which of these free tools are you going to try first, or do you have another free AI gem I missed? If this helped you, a quick like and subscribe would be awesome. It helps me make more videos like this. And speaking of making more videos, I tried building an entire website using only free AI tools, and the results, you won't believe it. Click right here to watch that video next.